Are you ready to level up your business via this free monitoring tool to uncover trends and outsmart your competition? Google Alerts is a free monitoring tool based on search terms. It collects news, new trends, blog posts, and delivers everything in real time. Discover your competitor's content marketing campaign that isn't easily found in more traditional ways. Set up notifications. Receive information via email in your Gmail account. Here are the easy steps to get started. Go to http://www.google.com/alerts. Type in the search term you want to monitor. Choose the email address you want the alert sent to. Choose what type of results you want to follow. Choose how often you want to receive updates. Choose if you want only the best results or all results. Click Create Alert.